Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to link your Facebook business page to your Instagram account. Step 1, open Facebook and go to your Facebook page. Once you're on your page as admin, go to Settings. Scroll down to Linked Accounts and click Instagram. Click Connect Account. Allow Instagram messaging access and hit Confirm. Log into your Instagram account when prompted. If needed, switch accounts to log in with the correct Instagram. Once logged in, just hit Continue, and you'll see a connected notification. Now your Facebook page and Instagram are linked. You can also manage roles and permissions if you want. And that's it, super simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and maybe even subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.